Morning. Today we're looking at chords and how you can use them as part of your S3 composition unit. So first of all, keywords, we've got to scale, which is an organized sequence of notes we can see here. So we're starting on a C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and then back down again. So all the white notes on the piano. And then we've got chord, which is a combination of two or more notes played at the same time. So in this example here, we've got a C, an E, a G, all forming part of your C major chord. So how do chords work? We've got our piano keyboard here, and as we've already heard, so a chord is two or more notes played at the same time. Normally they'd be three notes, so forming a triad. So a C major chord would be C, E, and G. Okay, so each chord is formed of three notes, and it all follows the same kind of pattern. So play one, miss one, play one, miss one, play one. So a C major chord would be using the first note, the third note, and the fifth note. So C major, there we go, C, E, and G would sound like this. Next one starting on a D, so D, F, and A, following that same pattern, play one, miss one, play one, miss one, play one. Because of the particular combination of notes, this one is a minor chord, so sounds slightly kind of sadder or darker. Next one's going to be E minor, E, G, and B, F major, F, A, and C, G major, G, B, and D, A minor, A, C, and E, and finally our last one is going to be B diminished. Now because of the particular combination of notes, again, this isn't a major or a minor chord, and it's got a slightly crunchier sound to it, slightly dissonant. And then after that we're back to C major again, so C, E, and G again. So for our C major scale, using just the white notes on the piano, we've got 7 different chords. Number 1, C major, 2, D minor, 3, E minor, 4, F major, 5, G major, 6, A minor, and 7 is B diminished. So for your composition, you're going to be using chords 1, 4, 5, and 6. So that's C major, F major, G major, and A minor. So you can use these in a variety of different combinations. You can use them in any order. You could use them maybe all 4, one per bar. You could maybe just have 3 of them. You could alternate between 2, or you could even maybe just have 1 and focus on building a riff based on just that one chord. So it's up to you how you use those 4 chords, but those are going to be the 4 chords that are available to you for this project. So I've got some examples for you. So this one is a pop ballad following the C, G, A minor, and F format. So it's one chord per bar. This next one's following the same chord format, so we've got the same chord progression, sorry, C, G, A minor, and F, but this is in a slightly different style. This is kind of a pop ballad using strings. This next one's using some electronic instruments, so we've got some synthesizer sounds in there. We're starting on A minor this time. We've got A minor, C, G, and F. And then our last one is in a slightly more Caribbean style. We've got some steel pans, and the chord progression is C, A minor, F, and G. So slightly different feel. So using that for hopefully a little bit of inspiration, you've got these 4 chords that are available to you: C, F, G, and A minor. Those are your 4 chords. And so your task is now to come up with a chord progression that you're happy with, that you like the sound of for your composition. So you don't have to use all 4 of them all the time. You could have different sections using different combinations of those chords. Let's see what you can come up with.